Hey folks, thanks for tuning in to another video today. So, new month, you know what that means? Got a new box for you. So let's check out this month's box, the February box from Alpha Outpost. It's called Frost 2. So stay with me, and I'll be right back. Thanks for watching. Alright, welcome back. So let's take a look at this month's box. Again, it's called Frost 2. Now if you remember, they've already done one box called Frost. And so I'm hoping this is not the same stuff, which I've been told it's not. A few things may be the same, but for the most part it's a different box. So let's check it out. Alright, so here's your little card, Frost 2. Right there. It talks a little bit about winter fire, bundling up, wearing different layers. There's some new shirts coming out. Alright, so let's take a look here. So, first thing, it looks like you have a discount code for some gun barrel coffee. You guys know I love coffee. So, alright, so here is some socks. Kind of cool. Got some socks here. I think these are wool socks, so they'll definitely be warm for you out here in the winter. Alright, so here's a bottle, Frost bottle. Now, again, this is from, I know for sure this is from the last Frost box, so you do get another bottle. So if you already have the Frost box, you get another bottle. These bottles come in handy. You can put these in your, in your kits, in your car, whatever. You can actually, so I believe since these are single walled, you can actually cook over the fire with these if you needed to, boil water or whatnot with those. So, you do see the patch? Check out that patch. Let's take the patch out so you can see it a little bit better. They are on the patch game here lately, and I've said that before in a previous video. I don't know who's doing their patches now or designing them, but they are on it. That is an awesome, awesome patch. So there's the patch. Looks like we have some toe warmers, hand warmers. Again, you know, being wintertime, being cold, I've said this in a previous video, I love these things. I use these a lot, so these are always good to have. I put them in my pockets of my jackets and stuff. So, alright, so what we have, oh, we have a shirt, looks like. So, can I get back here? So this is a shirt. It says, looks like it says Stay Frosty. Stay Frosty. That is an awesome, and that's the patch. That is an awesome shirt. So, and it's a long sleeve shirt too. So that is awesome. I have to put in a picture. I have to put this shirt on and put in a picture or a video of me showing you what this looks like. Now, they did put out a recently. They put out for you to go in and update your profile for shirt sizes. So that's awesome. So that's why, I guess. So this is my size. Yep, that's my size. So go in and update your profile if you have an account and you haven't updated your profile. Definitely update your profile. So what I have here, a little Alpha Outpost, like, feels like a microfiber towel, like a little hanky or something. So these come in handy for a lot of different things as well. There we go. There it is. Gun barrel coffee. 0 dark 30 blend. Dark blend. Awesome. And it says, what's cool about this here is that you can read it right here. It says, $1 from each of these purchased go to veterans and first responder organizations. So that is just awesome. And there's your 10% discount code too. So that is awesome. Looking forward to trying that out here. And that says, this bag makes a 10 to 12 cup pot of coffee. So this is a one whole pot. So it looks like we have a little dry bag here. These are always come in handy. So probably about a 10 liter dry bag, so these definitely come in handy for lots of different things. I was actually looking at getting a few more dry bags to store my gear in. So get the dry bag, and then the last thing in here, looks like you get an emergency shelter, and it's like a Mylar type tube type tent. Now I'm not a big fan of these because, you know, they're just not that great. This is an 8-foot by 5-foot shelter. It comes with 20 feet of cord. So we'll go out and we'll play around with this. It's just a big Mylar blanket or Mylar bag that's open on both ends. So we'll go out and we'll check this out, you know, another video. And these are okay for, you know, your down and dirty emergency survival kits. You know, they'll keep you a little bit warm and stuff, but you know, don't 100% rely on these in your kits. But hey, it was in the box, and it's a pretty cool addition. So this box is a great box, folks. I mean, this is just a great box. A dry bag, getting your coffee, little, I'm not quite sure what this is, little microfiber towel. Definitely the shirt is just awesome. I mean, this shirt is awesome. Some socks, again. Got a water bottle, so if you don't have the previous box, you get you a water bottle, which is cool. Hand warmers, toe warmers, and the patch again. So definitely a cool little box. And yeah, you know, can't say a whole lot of negative about this box. I mean, this is a good box, I think. Definitely the shirt definitely makes the box up. I mean, that's awesome. So anyway, quick little unboxing video for you. So of this month's box, again, their patch game is just on point. I mean, they're getting awesome patches. So anyway, so thanks for watching, folks. It's getting ready to rain here in a few minutes, so I'm going to get out of the woods and go back in the house. So thanks again for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. Click the link down below if you're interested in signing up for Alpha Outpost. Again, they're always running sales and deals and stuff, so if you watch my Instagram and Facebook, Twitter feeds and stuff, you'll always see those posted. So anyway, thanks again for watching, folks. I'll see you on another video real soon. Get outside and get outdoors.